guys, and welcome back to Two Awesome Sisters. Today we are just going to be doing a little skit with my sister, and it's going to be really fun. So yeah guys, let's get on into the video. It feels so good out here in the shade. It sure does, Emily. You bet. Silly monkey. You are so crazy. Thank you. You're quite crazy yourself. Hey, would you like to go outside? Yes, I would love to go outside, Emily. Let's go. Oh, it feels really good out here, Emily. You bet, monkey. I would like to swim right now, wouldn't you, Emily? Yeah, monkey, I would love to swim. Let's go to Dora's house. Then we could swim. Well, I don't know. It's pretty far. Oh, tough through it. We can make it. Okay, let's go. La 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 la. La 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 la. I like singing and walking. Well, looks like she's not home. Well, sure she is. Have we looked in the truck? Nope, not in the truck. Or the trailer. Or the toy box. Or in the yard. Well, looks like she's not home. Oh man, I really wanted to swim. I know, me too. I guess it's time to go back home. As a matter of fact, let's just go inside. I'm so sad. I know, it's summer and we still gotta go back to school in just 2 months. And it's just so short. I wish we could have a bigger summer. I know, right? And we have nothing to do. Well, I guess we're just gonna have to sit here and wait and wait and wait until summer's over. Boom! You scared us, Piggy! I overheard y'all talking about y'all just sit around and be lazy during the summer. Well, I say no. I say get out and do something. You might as well make the best of it. You know what? I think you're right. It's time for us to go out and have the rest of our summer. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. It'll be so much fun together. Well, I'm happy I could help. You know what? Let's just go to my house. Then we can have so much fun there. Good idea. Let's go. La 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 la. It's so much fun walking and singing.